Okay, so Rebus, we are a labor analytics solution as well as an inventory process analytics platform. We specialize in working with bringing disparate systems together into one harmonized uniform location. So our specialty is working with WMSs. We integrate with your WMS, TMS, ERP solutions to get all the data together, but we're actually able to go ahead and bring them together by anonymizing them, working with your teams on bringing a labor management solution to your kind of leadership as well as your floor workers. Our team specializes in having boots on the floor experience in warehouses. So we have a lot of industrial engineers in-house, a lot of technical folks that I like to call techno-functional, that can talk with their SQL knowledge if they need to, that also know how to go ahead and work analytics with you to give you the insight that you need into your operations. So we specialize in giving you the high-level view for executives that need to know high-level how are my facilities doing across the board, my health check if things are going the way I need them to be. We have our in-house reporting tool ourselves, so we don't sit on top of any other platform. We pride ourselves in the fact that you don't need to know coding to be able to build your own reporting, so you don't need a dedicated team that needs to know DAX or any other solutions to get that labor, we go ahead and we do a heel-to-heel platform approach so that you don't need to go super granular to get the value that you need out of your labor solution. We also do pride ourselves with scaling up and down to your operational needs. So if you're a 100+ site facility, we can go ahead and go into full engineered standards with you to go the kind of weight factors, travels, XYZs, all of those fatigue, pig and D factors that you need to get into it. We can include it. If you're a smaller facility, we can also match with you on giving a little bit of that relative standards, or even go into kind of best estimates UPH on what you can get out of the equation. We not only go into that, we also give your team on the floor all the metrics that they need to be able to run their operations effectively. We want to go ahead and get them to not necessarily live in front of a dashboard themselves, go ahead and do the job that you hired them to do and run their operations, but give them the insight that they need to give a shout out to the person that deserves it, who are high performers, and make sure that you can go ahead and talk to the folks that need a little bit more of your attention itself. So we do traditional KPIs, but we pride ourselves in being able to talk to your team, coach them through how to have a successful labor metric. So we don't just come in here, dump a new solution, flavor of the month software, and leave. Instead, we pride ourselves in being able to work with you, set you up to success, and have your team get access to the data they need. Besides labor, we also do focus on getting our data into your visibility platform, if you will, by integrating with your outbounds, orders, TMS information in the system to go ahead and give you insight into how is tomorrow, how am I doing, am I already picking ahead of time, am I able to get the data that I need for today, are my shipments leaving on time, kind of the metrics that your clients hold you responsible to, that you in turn hold your site responsible to, give them access to all of that information in one place. We don't want somebody to spend 6 hours a day crunching data. We want them to be able to get quick access to the data and make decisions to kind of keep winning the day themselves.